welcome back to my channel. This makeup look is a very easy makeup look, and it is a summery, sun-kissed, daylight makeup look which you can wear anywhere, like on everyday basis as well. I really love this makeup look and I almost wear it on all the places. So if you want to know how to create this look, then please keep on watching. So first, to prime my face, I'm gonna spritz some priming spray on my face, and then I'm gonna apply a sunscreen. It's from It's Skin, and I'm so sorry for the background. Please bear me, as in there was some tragedy with my tripod, so that's why I had to keep this angle. So I hope you understand. So this is a daylight look, so you don't want to skip sunscreen. So that's why that's a very important step. And for foundation, I'm going to take Maybelline's 24-hour Superstay foundation, and I'm going to dot all over my face, and then I'm going to buff it with a buffer brush. As in, I am using buffing brush because I want full coverage foundation, as in full coverage on my face, because it's a daylight look and it's humid city. I don't want to sweat a lot, and I don't want to, lose my makeup for a long period of time. Then I'm going to conceal my eyes and high points of my face with the Maybelline Age Eraser Concealer in the shade Nude. And then I'm going to set quickly with my compact, like all-time favorite, Maybelline's SUPERFRESH Compact in this shade Shell. Then I'm going to take this KYLIE eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that lightest shade from the palette and put on all over my eyelids. And I am so sorry I'm speaking so fast because I wanted to keep this the shortest, like as short as I can. Then I'm gonna put that like maroonish brown shade into my crease or above my crease. Then I'm going to take that maroon shade and I'm gonna put like just underneath the crease shade, and then I'm gonna blend both the shades all together. Then I'm gonna take this white shade from my Blush Nudes Maybelline palette, and I'm gonna put it on my eyelids. I'm just putting it and blending it with the crease shadows. That's it for the eyes, guys. And I'm gonna take the dark shades, like both the dark shades, I'm gonna put that underneath, like for my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take the SIVANNA colors to a contour kit and gonna bronze my face, like wherever I need the contour, hollows of my cheekbones, my nose, forehead, jawline, etc. Then I'm gonna contour my nose because I need it. I have a big fat nose. Then I'm gonna take my all-time favorite for daylight look, the Maybelline DREAMTOUch blush, and gonna apply it on apples of my cheeks with a stripling blush brush. Then I'm gonna take the highlighter from that SIVANNA Colors Duo contour kit and gonna highlight my, like wherever I need the highlight, on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin and forehead with a fan brush. Then I'm gonna fill in my brows with my dark brown eyebrow pencil. I'm just filling it in. I like bushy eyebrows, so I just go little overdo. You can fill the way you want, and I'm just gonna comb it to just fix the backs of that eyebrow pencil. Then I'm gonna put mascara. This is Maybelline's LASH Sensational Mascara. I'm gonna coat my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes. Then I'm gonna put the same highlighter in my inner corners as well as my brow bone, just to make my eyes look wider and beautiful. And then I'm gonna put this pinkish mauve lipstick. I don't know the brand because I got it from Bangkok. I don't know, it is from the local store of Bangkok. All the products details will be there in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. And the look is ready. It's that simple, guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and keep sharing, keep loving. I love you all. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.